Hello everyone. Today is Friday, June 7th. It's 4:48 Eastern Standard Time and the market's closed about 45 minutes ago. On my left is the time and sales. You can see some settlement trades going off at the mini S&P, closing out around 28.75 for the week. So I have an update today. Been featuring a lot of live trading with our client Jim, whose winning ratio is just off the charts. We have another live video, but I'm basically separating the videos, showing our live simulation here and then Jim's live trading in a separate video. Anyway, today, first up is the E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with the Super Renko 8 higher time frame. And on many of my charts, I reduce them to a single contract like this and reduce the target to show that indeed the Autotrader could be traded with small accounts. So the goal on this is 450, and this hit its goal and had one tick of slippage. When we hit our goal, we enter a market order. And here is the trades here. There was 3 trades, a loser. This drew down about $150. Okay, so that's like 3 points loss limit here. And then there was 2 winners here back to back, and that brought us up to our goal. We enter a market order. This hit 450, and we had 1 tick of slippage. Okay, another really reliable chart is the crude oil on a Super Renko 8 tick. And this I changed to a single contract with a profit target of 50 ticks, which is $500. And loss limit of 450. This looks like it hit its goal in a single trade here. This was good for 50 ticks and had 1 tick of slippage right here. Actually, take that back. This was good for about 30 ticks, and then we had another trade here. Okay, the DAX on a Super Renko 6 tick. I'm leaving some of these with higher goals. This is still trading 2 contracts. And again, I've lowered the goal on this one to 1,050, loss limit of 900. And anyway, this hit its goal with no slippage. And it looks like it did that on a single trade and was done trading within 15 minutes. This is right off the Eurex Open. Okay, I've been showing the ES on a regular 5 Renko chart with our line break logic and no higher time frame. And so this looks like it hit its goal in a single trade. And on this one, it's still trading 2 contracts, but taking one off at 4 points or 16 ticks in the ES, and then trailing our stop at 9 points. Our goal on this is 700, so this hit its goal and had 1 tick of slippage. And trading was done here in the first 15 minutes of trading. Okay, the DAX on a Super Renko 6 tick with our high sensitivity of 9 has a goal of 1,050. And that was hit here, and we had an excellent positive slippage finishing at 1337 for the day. Okay, the crude oil on a 987 tick Heikin-Ashi chart had 2 trades back to back and did 430. On this one, we went to a single contract with a goal of 450, and so we hit our goal and had a couple of ticks of slippage on 2 trades here. This begins trading at 10 a.m. So looks like there was some nice swings off the open in spite of that, but it still did very well. Very tradable swings here. Excellent signals on the indicator, as you can see. Okay, the DAX on a 6 range with the open range filter. Strangely, I have trading beginning at 9 a.m. and there was a couple of losers here. You can see the drawdown was about $350, and then the open range filter starts at 9:30, so I need to adjust that. In spite of that, this still hit its goal, I believe, of 750, and that was done here, and it had couple of ticks of slippage, actually. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 6 tick using our line break logic had a very small loser here, less than $50, and then several winners here, a small loser right here, but a couple of nice winners here and here. And this, I believe, is still trading a single contract with a goal of 450. So this one hitting its goal with positive slippage. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 6 tick starts trading off the open, and this hit its goal in a single trade right off the open, kind of Jim's trading style right here, using our open range filter. So this was no market analysis other than our open range filter and a line break signal right here. So just beautiful right off the open. And our goal on this is 375. So this hit its goal and had 2 ticks of positive slippage on a single contract. Okay, the DAX on a 377 Heikin-Ashi chart did 1237 on a single trade. The goal on this is 1400, so just shy of its goal. It might have had some slippage, but still excellent performance on 2 contracts. Okay, the NASDAQ on a Super Renko 6 tick with our open range filter. Looks like we had the drawdown here is only about $360, so less than $200. I think this is trading a single contract. So yeah, a single contract drawdown was $350, $60 or so. And then it came back with several winners, recovering from its drawdown. That's pretty impressive. Recovering from a 360 drawdown, and then ultimately taking all these long trades, bypassing the noise here. And it had 4 winning long trades in a row in this strong move to the upside. Only went long above the open range filter, and the goal on this is 550, and it hit its goal with no slippage. Okay, the E-mini S&P with a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 6, E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 4, did 387.50 on a couple of trades here, and the goal on this is 400, so 1 tick of slippage. Goal hit. Okay, the ES on a 5 Renko with the higher time frame filter of Super Renko 8. Looks like it drew down here less than $100 and then recovered and finished at 237.50 for the day. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 4 tick with a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 6 has a goal of 400, and this hit its goal with no slippage on these 2 long trades and was finished trading in the first 30 minutes of trading. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 7 tick did 520, 2 winning trades here, only going short, and this has a goal of 500, so a couple of ticks of positive slippage, and not using any filters. It's just we didn't get filled on our limit order on this swing. That's what happened here. You can kind of see the pullback here where we did get filled on our limit fill. So pretty nicely done on this chart. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with a Super Renko 2 tick as the other time frame has been very, very consistent. The goal on this is 350, and this hit its goal. The drawdown here was about $200. This is trading 2 contracts. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.